Hey guys, so today is going to be my December's Boxy charm. It came a bit earlier than normal, which is nice. There is a few variations of this of the Boxy charm this month, and I'm hoping I'm getting one rather than the other one, but we will see. I do not know, so let's see what's in here. So this time the box is a bit different. It's actually a bit flatter and longer, so that's pretty cool. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back, and thank you for joining us. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. If you want to see which variation I got of my December Boxy charm, then let's just jump right into it. So there is this right here, and this is Tis the Sea Sun. Play on words there, which is pretty cute. And I'm not going to take a look at that because I don't want to be surprised as to what I am getting. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. Oh, so I am seeing this here, which is one of the variations that I really was hoping for. So this is the Pretty Vulgar. It's called the Powder Room, and it's matte about it. And this is a translucent setting powder. And I really love the packaging. And then there's this cute, adorable little poof in here. Alright, so then it's got those little things like that, and that's what the translucent powder looks like. It's just a very clear... There you go. So that's pretty cool. I probably won't use this puff because it's really fluffy. I'll probably use a brush for this, but yeah. So that is exciting. That was one of the ones that I really, really wanted. I actually really enjoy Pretty Vulgar stuff. I've gotten a few of them in the Boxy charm so far, and I am loving it. So the Pretty Vulgar Mad About It retails for $32. So that's not bad for a powder. And up next is this here, and this is a lip liner. This is from Bodyography. This is called Heatherberry. Okay. Oh, that looks really light. So that is what it looks like. I have a feeling this is going to be quite light for my skin. Actually, it's not too bad. So that's what it looks like there. It went on really smooth. I'm not really a huge fan of pencil kind of liners, just because lip liners, because you have to sharpen them and get them really nice and smooth and stuff like that because of the wood, but that's okay. So that retails for $12. That's not bad. It says that there's coconut oil and vitamin E in it, and it's for smooth yet long-wearing formulas. So that's pretty nice, and it's supposed to just glide right on. Alright, so then there is this right here. Oops, this right here. I'm super excited for this. I've seen some other Boxy charm videos, and this one was what I was excited for. This is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint, and this is in Insta Famous. This is what it looks like. And it's got some sparkle in it. The regular applicator there. And then I'm just going to put it on top of the lip liner on my hand. So you can really see. Oh, it smells so good. So you can see that. That is what it looks like on top of that lip liner. So I'm probably going to wear these together. Those look really cool. That's probably why they did that. I really enjoy the sparkles in this, so I'm very excited for that. I've kind of been getting a little bit more into lip glosses lately, but we'll see. I'm not really a huge fan of lip glosses, but I feel like that will look really cute, especially for the season. So the Tarte lipstick, or lip gloss, retails for $20, so that's not too bad. And then up next is this here. This is Cosmedix, I think it's called. This is a detox activated charcoal mask. I've seen some videos of people using this. I am very dry skinned right now, so I have to be careful with this kind of stuff because charcoal does tend to dry out your skin, but that is what it looks like. So that's the mask there. So that is supposed to detoxify your pores and get rid of your daily grime. And then, yeah, and it's supposed to, yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. So it retails for $30 for this. That's expensive. Okay, well, that's a bit insane, but okay, well, I got that. And then the last thing in here is this. Okay, so I am not one for flat ironing my hair, but I did see that there's a little flat iron that was going around, and I thought that would be really awesome to get, especially because it would work for flat ironing, like little pieces of hair and stuff like that. I don't regularly have straight hair. I actually barely have straight hair. I don't even remember the last time I straightened my hair, but I was hoping to get that instead of this one. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette, and this is by Suave Beauty, and it's the Protege palette. It's pretty. I like the outside of it. Then it's got a mirror, and then it's got these colors here. So there are 4 mattes. These 4 are mattes. These 2 are shimmer eyeshadows, and then there are 2 highlighters, so you can wear those as shimmers as well. I am not going to swatch this because I am not going to use this. I have seen quite a few videos already on this palette, and apparently they are patchy. The mattes are really hard to blend out, and you need to make sure you're digging into the shimmers. Everything I've seen on this palette has been not good reviews so far. I haven't seen any good reviews on it yet, so I am not even going to keep it. This palette retails for $34, which is, I guess, a decent price. This is made in Surrey, BC. Nope, it's not. What? Distributed through Surrey, BC. That is weird. That makes it even worse. Oh, that sucks. Okay, well, yep. I'm going to have to check out some of their other stuff. I have to take a look at that, especially since it's probably really cheap shipping and handling for me. I'm not that far off Surrey, you know, Vancouver and all. Anyway, okay, so this month I'm not super happy about it. That's okay. I will use these 4 items, and the retail value, I guess, is worth the box for me, but the fact that that's 2 palettes in a row that I will not be using. So this box says that it is around $128 altogether. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!